Hey there, are you having issues with your Tempur-Pedic mattress and need assistance? This week we'll guide you on Tempur-Pedic mattress warranty claim, how to file. Knowing how to file a warranty claim can ensure you get the service you deserve and possibly a replacement for your defective mattress. Let's break down the steps to make the process as smooth as possible. Step 1. Review your warranty information. Before initiating a claim, it's crucial to understand the specifics of your warranty. Tempur-Pedic offers different warranty lengths, typically ranging from 10 to 25 years, depending on your mattress model. Grab your warranty card or visit Tempur-Pedic's official website to thoroughly review what is covered. Pay attention to coverage specifics such as sagging, manufacturing defects, or overall wear and tear. Ensure your issue is included within these terms to set realistic expectations. Step 2. Gather necessary documentation. To support your claim, having proper documentation ready is essential. Start by gathering your purchase receipt, warranty card, and photographs of the mattress defect. High-quality images showcasing the issue, like sagging or fabric tearing, help provide clear evidence for your claim. Also, note down the date of purchase and any interactions you've already had with Tempur-Pedic customer service. This organized approach will streamline the process and help Tempur-Pedic assess your claim efficiently. Step 3. Contact Tempur-Pedic customer service. Reaching out to Tempur-Pedic's customer service is the critical next step in filing your warranty claim. You can contact them via phone or through their website, where you'll typically find a warranty claim section or contact form. Clearly explain your issue, referencing the gathered documentation. Be prepared to share specifics like the mattress model, serial number, and evidence of defect along with your contact information. The customer service representative will guide you through the next steps and any additional information required. Step 4. Follow up and be patient. After filing your claim, patience is key. Tempur-Pedic may take several weeks to process and review your application and documentation. Make a point to follow up with customer service if you don't receive a timely response. Keep all interaction records in case you need to reference them in future discussions. Once your claim is approved, coordinate with the company regarding repair services or a possible replacement mattress. Step 5. Maintain your new mattress properly. If a replacement is issued, understanding proper care can help avoid future issues and ensure the longevity of your new mattress. Familiarize yourself with the manufacturer's maintenance guideline. This might include using a mattress, rotating the mattress periodically, or maintaining a clean, supportive bed frame. Filing a Tempur-Pedic mattress warranty claim doesn't have to be overwhelming. By thoroughly understanding your warranty, preparing documentation, and communicating effectively with Tempur-Pedic's customer service, you're well on your way to resolving your mattress issues. Be patient during the process and diligent in following up. Remember, proper maintenance of your replacement mattress is crucial in preempting future claims. Enjoy your restful nights on a mattress backed by a thorough understanding of Tempur-Pedic's warranty process. Sleep well.